and this is with regard to the petition linked to bridge collapse tragedy in Gujarat, which the Supreme Court had taken up today. And there are some strong observations which are coming through from the top court on this. Supreme Court has called the bridge collapse tragedy in Gujarat and has termed it an enormous tragedy. And the Supreme Court has said that they might require weekly monitoring in the probe on this case. Supreme Court has also commented on the awarding of contract to the maintenance firm and at the moment refused to order a judicial or a CBI probe. Let me go across to my colleague Harish for more on this. Harish, what are the top takeaways from the Supreme Court hearing on this matter today?
Yes, very important hearing as far as the Morbi suspension bridge tragedy is concerned. Supreme Court was in fact hearing two PILs filed by a lawyer, Vishal Tiwari, and the victim's relative, Chavda Dilip Bai, seeking appointment of an aside judicial commissioner under supervision of the Supreme Court and or the CBI probe. Also seeking additional compensation apart from the 2 lakh given to the victims per head. Today, Supreme Court has called it an enormous tragedy and highlighted issues for the Gujarat High Court to examine and express hope that High Court will properly take care of the probe, relief, rehabilitation and the compensation part. But at the same time, Supreme Court Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud led bench remarked that the High Court is already taken so much cognizance of the matter and is also monitoring the investigation. So at this juncture, it will not interfere. It will not order a judicial or a CBI probe, saying that Gujarat High Court has already monitored the probe and also refused to assume jurisdiction, but noted in its order that these issues like number 1, independent investigation, number 2, need to fix responsibilities on officials of Nagar Palika, number 3, need to ensure agency entrusted the task of managing bridge is held accountable.
Right, my colleague Harish there taking us to the main top points which have come through from the Supreme Court on this very important hearing linked to the Gujarat bridge collapse tragedy. And as Harish was saying, that the Supreme Court at this point in time has said that they will not interfere in the matter. They have not called for a judicial or a CBI probe, saying that High Court is seized of this case and that hearings are going on. But if needed, they might monitor the case weekly. Right, let's